Hi, this video introduces Anespa filter replacement. Anespa has two kinds of filter cartridge inside. One is Anespa external cartridge and another is Anespa ceramic cartridge. Anespa external cartridge removes chlorine usually for 6 months to 1 year, depends on usage and chlorine level of your water. Anespa ceramic cartridge will add mineral to hot water to simulate hot spring experience for 2 to 3 years. To change filter for Anespa DX, unscrew 2 nuts on bottom of unit to remove stopper first. And then pull out another half of stopper from opposite side. There might be some water inside. Please prepare for it. Anespa has large fixed holder and this part needs to be unscrewed to separate body and base. It will be a good idea to clean connected part of fixing holder, body and base before work on it. Remove fixing holder and separate body and base. Again, please prepare for water inside. Anespa ceramic cartridge will be placed on center of Anespa external cartridge with mesh side facing up. Place both cartridge on base and set body back to base. For Anespa DX, pierce holes on body and base with stopper with metal bars. Put another half of stopper and screw 2 nuts only hand tighten. Put body and base together with fixing holder for Anespa. Before using unit with new filter cartridges, please run water for a few minutes to settle them down.